Welcome to Learn with Lili. Today we are starting with your Log on to Computers for Class 4, Chapter 4, and the name of the chapter is An Introduction to PowerPoint 2019. Get ready. Which of the following pictures help children easily understand the concept being taught in the class? The picture A. And why do you think so? The answer is, as rightly said, a picture is worth 1,000 words. The method of presenting your views and ideas on a big picture using projector or screen effectively conveys the information to the targeted audience. There are many ways to present information to an audience, but presentations are one of the most powerful mediums to convey your message effectively to people. One such audio-visual tool provided by Microsoft is PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a presentation graphic software which enables you to present your ideas and views effectively through audio-visual aids. The software allows you to create presentations using text, images, clip arts, sounds, colors, designs, and animated effects. In this chapter, you will explore the different components of PowerPoint 2019 and explain the procedure of creating a simple slideshow. Now, Introduction to PowerPoint 2019. When we explain a new idea or a concept to a person with the help of certain tools such as charts, diagrams, pictures, and sounds, it is called presentation. The purpose of the presentation is to make the other person understand an idea in an effective manner and display information on the form of a slideshow. Slides and slideshow. When we create a presentation, we divide the entire information in a logical sequence. The content matter for each section is presented in a unique manner and displayed on a separate page. An individual page in the slideshow is called a slide. When all these slides are integrated together and shown in a particular order, it is called a slideshow. Webby. OpenOffice Impress is a free presentation graphic software. You can explore it by clicking on the link. Advantages of PowerPoint. As we know that presentation is an effective tool for explaining a new concept or idea to the audience, let us learn about some of the advantages of PowerPoint. Slideshows are quick and easy to create when we use a presentation graphic software. A slideshow uses multimedia tools like sound, animation, tables, graphics, pictures, etc. Transitions and special effects make the presentation eye-catching for the audience. Text, images, art, and videos can be included in a presentation. It helps to create projects in other subjects such as science, mathematics, environmental studies, and so on. A PowerPoint presentation can easily be carried in any storage devices or even sent as an email attachment to another person. It is used as a visual teaching aid for classroom lessons, presentations, and training. Information can be easily updated as per the requirements of the target audiences. Starting PowerPoint 2019. To open PowerPoint 2019, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Start button. The Start menu opens on the screen. 2. Navigate and click on the PowerPoint icons in the Start menu. 3. The Backstage view of the PowerPoint with already selected new option opens on the screen. 4. Click on the blank presentations from the right side of new pane. You may also select from the given pre-designed templates. So this is the selecting the PowerPoint program from the Start menu. And the last step is The main window of PowerPoint opens on the screen. Now we want to learn about components of the PowerPoint window. Let us learn about the main parts of the PowerPoint window. So, as you can see here in this chart, now we are going to explain them. Smart Byte. If you cannot find the icon of PowerPoint program in the Start menu or pinned on the taskbar, type PowerPoint in the search box and press Enter. The main window of PowerPoint will be displayed on the screen. Fact Byte. A PowerPoint template is a pattern or blueprint of a slide or group of slides. Templates can contain layouts, colors, fonts, effects, background styles, and even content. Now the title bar. The title bar is a horizontal bar which appears on the top of the screen. Like other Microsoft applications, it shows the title of the current presentation and name of the file. On the extreme right are the minimize, maximize, and close buttons. Quick Access Toolbar. This toolbar is located just next to the title bar. It contains the save, undo, redo, and other comments. You can add other comments in this toolbar as per your choice. And ribbon. The ribbon is a long rectangular portion which is present just below the title bar. It contains different tabs. Each tab contains a particular group of comments. You need to click on a tab to see the groups under that tab. Some comments show a drop-down arrow. Clicking on this displays more options under that comment. Now Smart Byte. Smart Byte. Similar to Word 2019, you can view the ruler by selecting the option Ruler from the View tab. The left and right ruler will be displayed. Now File tab. Just as Word 2019, PowerPoint also has a File tab that lies at the extreme left corner in Ribbon. When you click on it, a menu appears. You can find any information about the current file and options for saving, printing, and closing a file. Workspace. This section is located below the ribbon. This is where you collect and add the clip art and other objects in the selected slide. Dialog Box Launcher. It displays more comments for a particular group. Once you click on the dialog arrow, the additional comments present in that group are displayed. View buttons. There are 4 view buttons located on the right side of the status bar. Normal view. By default, this view is selected. It shows the slide tab and outline tabs along with the current slide. Slide Sorter View. It displays the thumbnails of all the slides in the presentation. It is possible to change the order of slides in the thumbnail view. Reading View. It shows the slides with buttons for navigation at the bottom of the screen. Slideshow View. It displays all the slides one by one on the full screen as in the actual presentation. Now Slide Pane. This contains thumbnail pictures of the slide in your presentation in the order they will be shown. It is possible to change the order of slides in the thumbnails view. Clicking on a slide in this pane selects it and places it in the workspace area. You can also apply any desired changes to that particular slide. Status bar. This is a horizontal bar located at the bottom of the PowerPoint window. It displays the slide number, total number of slides. It provides information about the current slide, for example, slide 3 of 10. You can customize the status bar as per your requirement by right-clicking anywhere on it. And slide, it is an individual page in a PowerPoint presentation. You can see a blank slide when the main window of PowerPoint opens on the screen. It contains a title and a subtitle. Title is the heading given to the slide, whereas subtitle is usually the text given in bullets below the title. Scroll bar. You can click and drag the scroll bars to navigate through the slides in your presentation. You may also click on the previous slide arrow and next slide arrow at the bottom of the vertical scroll bar to navigate between the slides. Placeholder. When we open a new slide, we see one or more boxes with dotted outline. These boxes are used to hold content and place objects such as text, tables, charts, graphics, pictures, and others. Placeholder help give a uniform look to the presentation as all the slides have the same layout. To type inside a placeholder, just click inside the dotted box and start typing text or paste any objects. Checkpoint. Identify and name the terminology of PowerPoint that is being referred to the following sentences. 1. Gives title of the current presentation, title slide. 2. A page in your presentation, slide. 3. A view that allows you to see all the slides and thumbnails, slide sorter. 4. Provides information about the current slide, status bar. 5. Displays all the slides one by one on the full screen, slideshow. And 6. One or more boxes with dotted outline is a placeholder. Creating a new presentation. A blank presentation is a simple and good template to start working in PowerPoint. The first and foremost thing in making a presentation is to plan what you are going to do with the presentation. For example, putting a group of digital photographs in a presentation requires very little planning. However, using a presentation to increase the knowledge of others about a topic requires much more planning. To create a new presentation, step 1, click on the File tab. Step 2, click on the New option. The new pane opens on the right side displaying many icons. And 3, click on the blank presentation. A new PowerPoint window opens on the screen. You can start creating the presentation by typing the text or placing objects inside the placeholders. The first slide of the presentation is known as the title slide. Smart Bite. To open a new presentation, click on Ctrl+N keys. If you are creating a presentation for the first time, select the pre-designed templates available adjacent to the blank presentation option. Increasing text in a slide. Adding text in a basic requirement in any presentation which conveys the ideas and information to the audience. To add the text in a blank slide, follow the steps given below. 1. Select the text box option in the text group under the Insert tab. 2. Click at the inserting point on the current slide. Hold and drag the mouse to draw a box. 3. Start typing the desired text inside the box. Click outside the text box. To edit or format the typed text, select the text box by just clicking on the text. You can edit the text by changing its font color, size, style, etc. You can move and place the text box anywhere on the slide simply by dragging it. And you can change the size of the text box by dragging its slide or corners. Fact bite. You can move around the text box on the slide by pressing and holding down the mouse. Now inserting picture. You can insert or copy a picture into a PowerPoint presentation. You may also use a picture as background for your slides in PowerPoint. A picture can express more than text and makes the presentation eye-catching. Follow the steps given below to insert a picture in PowerPoint. Click on the slide where you want to add picture. Click on the Insert tab. From the Images group, select Pictures options. In the Insert Picture form, select the source of picture you want to choose. You can insert picture from this device or select from online pictures, and then in the Images group, click on Pictures. Type the keyword or browse the picture that you want to insert and click on the picture thumbnail. Click on the Insert button. The selected picture gets inserted in the slide. Now inserting a new slide. Slides displayed in sequence makes the slideshow. You can insert a new slide in PowerPoint by following these steps. 1. Click on the Home tab. In the Slides group, click on the arrow below New Slide, and a gallery of slide layout appears showing the outline of various options of slides. And 2. Click on the slide layout that you want to use for your presentation. Or, if you want your new slide to have the same layout as the other slides, you can just click New Slide instead of clicking the arrow below it. Now, changing the slide layout. Slide layout is the arrangement of all the objects present on a particular slide. You can select the slide layout from the available options of ready-made slide layouts. To change the slide layout, follow these steps. Number 1. Select the slide to which you want to apply the new slide layout by clicking on the thumbnail of that slide on the left pane. And step 2. In the Slides group of the Home tab, click on the drop-down arrow of the new slide. Step 3. The Office theme menu opens displaying different slide layout, and step 4, click on the desired slide layout. The slide layout of the selected slide gets modified with the selected layout. Smart Byte. To insert a new slide in a presentation, follow the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+M. And one more fact bite. Like in Word, you can copy and paste slides and duplicate a particular slide also. Changing slide layout of the current slide. If you want to change the layout of the current slide, follow the steps given below. 1. Click on the Layout option. The Office theme menu opens displaying different layout, and click on the Layout option which you want to apply on your slide. Deleting a slide. Steps to delete are: click on the thumbnail view of slide in the left pane, right-click on the slide that you want to delete, and from the shortcut menu, click on the Delete Slide option to delete that slide. Saving a presentation. If you want to save, just on the Quick Access toolbars, click on the Save button, or click on the File tab, select Save As options from the menu or Save option. The Save As pane opens on the right side of the Backstage view. Step 2. Click on the Browse option in the Save As pane. The Save As dialog box appears on the screen. 3. Select the drive or folder where you want to save the presentations and type the name of the presentations and click on the Save button, and the file is saved with the extension .pptx. And a fact bite is: keep saving your presentation at regular intervals by clicking on the Save button in the Quick Access toolbars. Smart Byte. You can save a presentation by following the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+S. When you save a presentation for a first time using the Save or Save As option, the Save As dialog box appears. When you save an existing presentation, the Save option does not display any dialog box. And if you want to save your presentation in the low version, you may click on the drop-down arrow of the Save As type field in the Save As dialog box and select the desired version from the list of options. Using the Save command. After saving the presentation for the first time, for subsequent saving, you can simply click on Save button available on the Quick Access toolbar. Closing a presentation. After saving a presentation, you must close and edit and exit the PowerPoint. Follow these steps. Click on the File, click on the Close. You may also close a presentation by pressing Ctrl+W. A dialog box pops out asking you to save and proceed. In case you have not recently saved your presentation, choose the desired option and opening an existing presentation. You can open by click on the File tab, click on the Open option. The Open pane opens on the right side of the Backstage view. Click on the Browse option. The Open dialog box appears on the screen. Search for your file in the drive or folder and select the file that you want to open and click on the Open button. ThinkByte. Arrange the steps to open a file in correct order. Number 1 is click on the File tab. Number 2, click on the Open option. The Open pane opens on the right side of the Backstage view. Then click on the Browse options. Open dialog box appears on the screen and search for your file in the drive or folder and select the file that you want to open. And the last step is click on the Open button. Now, navigation between slides. You can navigate between the slides in PowerPoint 2019 in many ways. Method 1. Press page down and page up keys on the keyboard to move to the next or previous slide respectively. The second method is press down arrow and up arrow keys on the keyboard to move to the next or previous slide respectively. Method 3. Select the required slide directly in the slide pane of the PowerPoint window. And the last method is you can also use the scroll bar or the previous slide and next slide arrow buttons to navigate between the slides in the slide pane. Slideshow. The slideshow is a sequential display of slides in the full screen mode. Once all your slides are complete, you have to run them together on the screen as a slideshow to see the effect of the entire presentation. It is important to run a preview of the slideshow so that any changes can be made before it is finally shown to the audience. Now the steps are 1. Click on the Slideshow tab. In the Start Slideshow group, click from Beginning to view the entire presentation to from current slide to view from the current slide onwards. Step 2. Click on the left mouse button or arrow keys to move from one slide to the next slide. At the end of your presentation, a blank screen appears with the message displayed as End of Slideshow. Click to exit. And step 3. Click to exit the slideshow. You may also press the ESC key if you want to stop the slideshow at any point. And exiting MS PowerPoint. Exiting MS PowerPoint. Once you have finished your work, you need to exit the MS PowerPoint application. If you have not saved your presentation before exiting or closing PowerPoint, it gives you an option to save the file. You can exit PowerPoint by clicking on the Close button on the title bar or by pressing Alt plus F4 key. Rewrite the correct shortcuts for the following. To insert a new slide, Ctrl plus M. To run slideshow, F5. To open a new presentation, Ctrl plus N. And to close a presentation, Alt plus F4. Recall time. PowerPoint is a software which enables you to make an effective presentation by adding text, graphics, photos, videos, animations, and much more. A blank presentation is a simple and a good template to use when you first start to work with MS PowerPoint. Placeholders are the containers in layout that hold content such as text, including body text, bulleted lists and titles, tables, charts, graphics, movies, sounds, and pictures. All the slides are presented in a sequence to the audience in a presentation. Many multimedia tools such as sound, animation, graphics, movies, etc. are used to design the slideshows. Ribbon has various tabs and each tab has a group of comments required for designing slides in your presentation. Slide layout helps you to arrange all the objects present on the particular slide, and you can add, delete, or move the slides or to organize the slideshow. Now, tech terms. Placeholder. A container in the layout of PowerPoint that holds the content such as text, tables, charts, graphics, movies, sounds, and pictures. Presentation. A way to explain a new idea or information with the help of certain tools such as charts, diagrams, pictures, sounds, etc. Presentation graphics software, a special computer application that is used to create an audio-visual aid to convey ideas and information to the students or a group. Slide layout, the way text, pictures, and other objects appear on a very slide in a slideshow. Slideshow, series of slides shown in a particular order. Slide, each page of information in a presentation and template, a pattern or blueprint of a slide or a group of slides. Now practice time. Tick the correct option. 1. The shortcut key to add a new slide is Ctrl+M. 2. To close a PowerPoint presentation, click on the File tab and close. 3. Pressing the F5 key displays your presentation from the beginning. 4. PowerPoint is a presentation graphics software. 5. The pages in presentation are called slide. Now fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. No boxes here, but still we will fill it. 1. The title bar is on the top of the PowerPoint screen. A presentation is a collection of slides. The extension name of a PowerPoint presentation is .pptx. A series of slides shown in a sequence to a group of audience is called a slideshow. And placeholder helps you arrange all the objects present on a particular slide. Right through or false. Ctrl+W is a shortcut to close a presentation. False. The status bar shows the slide number and the total numbers of slides. False. You cannot use the title bar. Number 3. You cannot use pictures and clip art as background for your slides in PowerPoint. False. 4. There are 2 views in PowerPoint. False. 5. A presentation is a collection of slides. True. Identify the following. This is the slideshow, this is the quick access toolbar, this is pictures, and this is text box. Now, very short answer and questions. Number 1. Write any 2 ways to express our ideas and views to a large group of people. To present your ideas to audience, you can create a presentation and display it on project. Number 2. Which software helps make a presentation on the computer? MS PowerPoint helps us to make a presentation on the computer. Number 3. What is a slide? Each page of information in a presentation is known as a slide. Number 4. Write the steps to add a new slide to your presentation. Answer. On Quick Access Toolbar, commonly used commands are share, undo, redo, new, and etc. What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a software which enables you to make an effective presentation by adding text, graphics, animations, etc. Now, short answer questions. Number 1. Why do we need to make presentations? We use PowerPoint to present our ideas and views effectively through audio-video aids. Question number 2. Write any 3 advantages of making a presentation. Answer. Slideshows are quick and easy to create when we use a presentation graphics software. A slideshow uses multimedia tools like sound, animated tables, graphics, pictures, etc. and transitions and special effects makes the presentation eye-catching for the audience. Question number 3. What is a slideshow? Describe the view of slides in the slideshow mode. Answer. Slideshow is a sequential display of all the slides in the full screen mode. And 4. Write the shortcut key to add a new slide and to save the presentation. Shortcut key to add a new slide is Ctrl+M and to save is Ctrl+S. So if you enjoyed my video, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. God bless you all.